LASIK is one of the most successful eye surgeries. According to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, more than 700,000 LASIK procedures are performed each year. But where do you go? Where do you start? How do you know if you're a candidate for laser vision correction? When is one considering LASIK? Here's the idea. This is what you need to do. The surgeon you choose can make a difference in the safety of your procedure and the quality of your results. Dr. John Dishler is a true pioneer in LASIK. He was the first surgeon in Colorado to perform LASIK, and for a second year in a row, Dr. Dishler was voted one of America's top 10 vision correction specialists in a nationwide survey of eye surgeons. Dr. Dishler has personally performed 52,000 LASIK procedures, and he's here today with Grace Yoon. She's a fourth-year student from University of Illinois College of Optometry, and she had LASIK to correct her nearsightedness with astigmatism. As a future optometrist, Grace understood the advantages of LASIK and what it could bring to her life. Welcome to the show, you guys. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Congratulations, first off, on going to college and doing such a wonderful job. Soon to be. Yeah, soon to be. So let's talk about what bothered you most about wearing contacts, and what age did you start saying, okay, this isn't for me anymore?
Well, I started wearing glasses in 7th grade and then contact lenses in 9th grade. I think the worst part of it was the dryness that, you know, the contact lenses gave me pretty much.
Yeah.
I was doing a lot of computer work, a lot of reading, and when you're doing these near tasks, you don't blink as often, and it was drying my eyes out like crazy. I was trying to wear glasses. I didn't like glasses that much, and so I was like, you know what, I have to do it, and it was about time.
I mean, it's a drag. You're constantly wiping your eyes, trying to put drops in. So how bad was your vision prior to surgery?
It was like a minus 350 in contact lenses, so that basically kind of meant that I could barely see that 2400E, that huge E that's usually on
You're kidding? You can barely see that?
Barely.
Oh my gosh, and now it's perfectly clear, of course.
Definitely.
So what were some of the things you were considering when making that decision? What helped you say, okay, this is it, this is what I'm going to do?
Well, I thought about it for about a year, but I didn't really think I was going to go through with it. It wasn't until I started rotating through my fourth-year optometry rotations, and I came to Dishler, saw so many patients with really great results, and I had friends who rotated also that got LASIK done by Dr. Dishler. So they all love their vision still, and they've gotten done this year and even like several years before.
Good.
And they're still very happy with their vision.
You went to the right doctor, that's for sure.
Exactly.
Now, okay, so I talked to you about as a customer, but what about as a soon-to-be optometrist? What are the advantages of having LASIK?
I think the biggest thing is the convenience for me. Like when I'm traveling, I don't have to worry about contact lens solution or the case, and I see patients all the time that come in with a lot of dryness who cannot even stand contact lenses anymore, and I see patients with bacterial infections from contact lenses, and I think any patient that basically don't have very good compliance with contact lens replacement schedule or anything like that, really need to consider alternative solutions. So
sure. Dr. Dishler's phone number, you can see at the bottom of the screen. It's 303-793-3000. And Dr. Dishler, I just found out today you're a training site for future optometrists.
Yes, we really are an institute, and part of being an institute is being an educational center. And for the last 12 years, we've had students like Grace come and train at our center, and they spend usually about 3 months there learning, and we have to be approved by the optometry school for them to come. We're about the only site in Denver that does this, and over that time, you know, a reasonable handful of people like Grace have seen these patients have such great results that while they're there, they pull someone aside and say, hey, could I get this done while I'm here, you know?
Yeah.
And that's exactly what happened here.
That has to be one of the biggest compliments when somebody's there going to school and they realize they know the ins and outs, and they're thinking, this is the guy that can actually do it great for me.
It's the ultimate compliment to us and to me, because it's sort of choose the doctor that doctors choose. I mean, these are doctors in training, and they know the ins and outs, and for them to pick us, they could go anywhere. For them to pick us to have this done is really a great compliment.
So refresh our memory again. Now that we're into 2012, what makes your practice so unique compared to others?
Well, a lot of practices offer LASIK, but we really specialize in it. And you know, we are the ones that started LASIK. I kind of helped invent it in the very beginning. We were the first practice to do LASIK in 1995, which now that's 2012. That's a long time ago.
Seems like a long time ago.
And we had a lot of firsts. We were the first to do all blade-free LASIK, the first to do far-sighted LASIK, the first to do wavefront LASIK. And so we're constantly involved in the newest and latest stuff. I'm a consultant to a company, Zeiss, and in fact, I don't know if they're watching this now, but there's a whole group of people that flew in from California because we're talking about new, things for the future. And
Cool.
so we're going to have meetings today about that. So we're really involved in not just providing excellent patient care, but in being kind of an academic place as well.
Well, let's get the doctor's best side since he has all of his friends flying in from California. Let's make sure, just in case they're watching. Hi, guys. Tell me about the honor you were given last year.
Well, Zeiss honored us by making us a center of excellence. And there only are a few centers, and Zeiss is this big, multi-billion-dollar company, and for us to be designated like that, they saw us as providing a lot of things: innovation, skill, great patient care for a long period of time, and making contributions to the field. So we're very honored that they have seen us as a center of excellence.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
303-793-3000, or you can go to Dishler.com, 303-793-3000. And Grace, what would you tell other people out there thinking about LASIK as a customer now?
As a customer now, it's exactly what they said it was going to be. It was so easy. It was so quick, and I was saying great, and I don't even have to depend on contact lenses anymore. And so it's kind of like, why not,
Yeah. Yeah, enjoy reading, enjoy watching movies,
Exactly.
enjoy life again, get your sight back.
Thank you.
So what kind of offer do you have for our viewers?
Well, first of all, let me say that a lot of people think because of all these things we're saying, it's got to cost more to go see us. But we're actually, besides having the guaranteed lowest price for all blade-free LASIK in the metro area, we can afford, for a variety of reasons we can explain, that we can afford to provide this for people very affordably for them, including financing and things like that. But in addition to that, for the viewers, we're offering the first, I think it's 25 people to call, an additional $300 off of our already guaranteed lowest price. So now's a really great time if people are thinking about this for the new year and kind of adding something in quality to their life, that, come and put us on your short list and let us see if this can help you.
That's a great way to kick off the new year, and I love that you take the time to educate our viewers. Thank you for that. And thanks for sharing your story, Grace.
Thanks.
Good luck to you in school.
Thanks.
Again, you can start the new year with better vision. LASIK is one of the most successful eye surgeries approved for patients 21 years and older, and hundreds of patients in most age groups. If you're one of the first 25 callers to schedule an all-custom LASIK surgery procedure at Dishler Laser Institute, you'll save $300 off Dr. John Dishler's lowest guaranteed price, $300 off, the lowest guaranteed price. This special is for you, our Colorado and Company viewers, and it's offered good when you schedule your consultation, and your surgery will be completed by January 26th. In addition, when you come in for a free consultation, you'll receive a free gift if you are indeed a LASIK candidate. 24-month no-interest financing is available. Call 303-793-3000 to schedule your free LASIK consultation, or visit Dishler.com. The number again, 303-793-3000. The Dishler Laser Institute paid for this segment.